Hi, Elementary D. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Happy Thursday, and our last day of English for the week. Our goal is I can write a final draft of my chapter. I put final in all caps because it's the end of our project, and we will be starting Unit 4 next week. So we'll be learning new things, all right? So we are doing our missing chapter project. We finished all of our planning and now we're ready for our final draft. Remember, all of this is going to help us become excellent writers and be ready for middles. All right. So here we go. I want to shortly touch on a subject, and that is dialogue. We did review this before, but I want to go over it again. So remember, dialogue means it's when a character in a story is talking. Okay, we see it in all our books and all our narratives. So we use quotation marks, and this is the quotation marks, and I have another picture here. Okay, we use quotation marks when there is dialogue. We also use verbs. We can say said, asked, whispered, or screamed. So here I have an example, and some of you guys are using it very well in your writing. For example, Fudge said, comma, quotation mark, let's get ready for Christmas. Okay, I have inside the exclamation point, and then I have again the quotation marks. Okay, so that's how I would put something that someone is saying. Fudge is saying, let's get ready for Christmas. So I have to put that in quotation marks. Okay, and the other way you can also say it is, let's get ready for Christmas. Okay, inside of quotation marks, and then I put said Fudge, period. Okay, that is the correct way to use dialogue. Now, like I said, we have been doing this in class, but I just wanted to review because I see some people who are using quotation marks and some people who are not. Make sure you're using those quotation marks if someone is directly speaking. Okay, if someone is saying these exact words. And you can look at our Super Fudge book to see examples of dialogue too. All right, so our classwork. Write your final and edited. We know what edit means. It means that we checked all our spelling, we checked all our punctuation, everything is great. Write your final and edited chapter on the computer. So example, you can write it on Word. So I would like for you to type it. If you don't have access to the computer or someone, your brother or something is using it, you can write it in your notebook. But if you can, do it on the computer so that way I can print it and I can put it inside of our book and it'll be chapter 10 of Super Fudge. Okay, now after you do that, you can upload the document to Class Dojo file. So it's a little bit different from what we do, but you can still put the file in. Okay, and this is all due, it's not due tomorrow, it's due Monday, May 4th, 2020. I'm giving you guys an extra week in case one day you can't be on the computer, maybe on the next day you can do it. I want you to take your time and make your final paper. You guys know how important your final paper is. It is your final work. I'm going to print it, I'm going to publish it, and hopefully we can read these chapters when we go back to school. Now, this is how I am going to grade your project. Organization. So, does your writing have a clear beginning, middle, and end? We know how to do that. So, that's why that is 4 points. Okay. Next, content. My writing makes sense. It has many details that help the reader imagine what I am describing. Okay, here's where I'm going to be looking. Do you sound like Peter? Does it make sense? Is it a great story? That's 2 points. Quality of work, my work is neat and easy to read. Okay, even on the computer, make sure it's all neat, not in different colors. Okay, everything in black ink, very nice, just like a book. 2 points. And then mechanics. All of my sentences have capital letters and end marks, so that's question marks, periods, quotation marks in the correct places. Okay, and that's 2 points. That's what I'll be checking. And like I said, mainly I'm looking for you having a clear beginning, middle, and end because we have been working on that since elementary C. I know that you can do it. All right, so quickly, I am going to show you, I'm going to go into Class Dojo, okay? And this is my example account, okay? And you're not going to go here in the to do because I'm not going to put an activity, okay? It's not going to be here. You're going to go up here. This is where you create a new activity, okay? So I'm going to go up to this part, and you see I can do a photo, a video, a drawing, a file, a journal. This is where you're going to click File. That means attach, to upload a document. So I'm going to put here File, okay? And now I'm going to upload a file, a document. Okay, so I'm going to click here. And now it's going to tell me to browse my computer. Now, this is where you might need some help from your parents, okay? You are going to write the paper on Word, they're going to save it, and then you're going to attach the document and upload it to Class Dojo. Make sure that it says English, okay? Don't send it to Miss Beely or Mr. Oscar. Make sure it says English, okay? So quickly, you're just going to click on File, File, and you're going to find it in your computer and send it to me. You have until Monday, May 4th, okay? I can't wait to see the final project and to start working on Unit 4 and learning new things. Bye, Elementary D. Have a great weekend.